Running your brand's content solo, you're probably stuck in the same two traps. You run out of ideas and you have no clue what's actually working. So you post, pray, and repeat. And if you're leaning on ChatGPT to fill in the gap, your content is just going to sound like everyone else's, which means your brand never becomes the authority. Meet the Content Marketer OS, a complete system built in Notion that takes you through every stage of content from strategy and collection, through ideation and execution, all the way through performance analysis. With this system, you get a pack of AI skills to handle all the stuff that usually stalls you out. And they work from material that's actually yours. And because all these AI skills pull from your knowledge, experience, and original thoughts, it doesn't sound like everyone else's AI. It's uniquely your brand. Every post you publish teaches your system something about your audience. This system shows how your content is scoring across the topics you're posting, the platforms you're posting on, and the framework you're using to write content with, and shows you the exact combo that's actually landing. So no more guessing, you double down on what's actually working, and your content gets sharper every day because of it. This whole system can run on just 3 to 5 hours a week, and even with that, your pipeline stays full, you know what's landing, and content actually starts compounding instead of burning you out. So if you're running a one-person content team and you're tired of running dry on ideas and publishing blind, this is the system that fixes both. Get the Content Marketer OS and start building your brand's authority.